Well, I'm waiting for the geezer to come and pick up the Amarok, and it looks like the A470's flooded, so I thought I'd do another content video because I am a fixed radio influencer. So Milwaukee, yes, I've transitioned from Makita to Milwaukee, and I have now recently got from Data Power Tools in Cardiff, the boys over there, the twins. I've got an M18 fuel driven to outperform I would call it a plasterboard screw gun. What would you call it? Anyway, here she is, the M18 FSGC 202X. There she is. There she is in her glory. Let's open up the box and have a look what's inside. And then we can use it on site. I'm going to be using it in Bedwas, definitely using it in Bedwas on my massive job. And then any more plasterboarding now, I shall not be using my impact drill for general plasterboarding. Those days are finished. So let's have a look, let's see what you get in the box. Data Power Tools, let's have a look. It's a lovely box. It's a shame Milwaukee doesn't do the red boxes like it does in America, but we can't have it all, can we? You have to forgive me, I'm in the front of the van because it's absolutely pouring down with rain, doing a live opening. So here we go, this is what you get in the box. Let's flip you round so you can see what I get. You get your instructions, obviously, another charger. Let's have a Scooby-Doody Rudy. Another charger, two smaller batteries, obviously due to weight, and then there she is, the new screw gun. Look at that. So I used to have the Makita one many years ago. I had the Makita one, but I gave it away because I used to be stupid like that, but not anymore. I'm keeping this one. This is for Mo. So this is going to do all the ceilings, all the plasterboarding, and it's going to speed me up 10 times faster. Obviously asked Data Power Tools what screws to use, and they have recommended what I use anyway, which is the Timco screws. So I use these, all my construction is Timco, and there you are. So I've got these screws with it, so I'll be looking forward to giving that a go. I used one of my good friends at Celtic Dragon Services, Heating Services. I used his on his job on a Saturday, and I was so impressed with the weight that I thought I would get myself one. So thanks very much, Data Power Tools. That is the new plasterboard screw gun, and it will take the other 18-volt batteries, but then that just adds weight, doesn't it? But there we are. Thanks for watching.